Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 4, Python Conditional Statements. Conditional statements are used to make decisions in a program. They execute specific blocks of code when certain conditions are true. Python provides if, elif, and else for decision making. The if statement executes a block of code only if a condition is true. The syntax is if followed by a condition and a colon. For example, if age is greater than or equal to 18, print you are an adult. The if-else statement provides two branches. If the condition is true, one block executes, otherwise, the else block runs. For example, check if a number is even or odd using modulus operator. The if-elif-else ladder checks multiple conditions one by one. Only the first condition that is true executes. For example, grading system based on score. Nested if statements are used when one condition depends on another. It allows checking multiple related conditions inside each other. This diagram shows how Python checks conditions and executes the correct block of code. Here is an example of an if-else statement that compares a number and prints the result. When this program runs, it executes the correct branch based on the condition. This example checks if the age is greater than or equal to 18, and prints that the person is an adult. The output of example 1, simple if statement is as follows. You are an adult. Here, the program checks if a number is even or odd using the modulus operator. The output of example 2, if-else statement is as follows. Odd number. In this example, the program checks multiple conditions to assign a grade based on score. The output of example 3, if elif-else ladder is as follows. Grade B. This program uses nested if statements to check both age and citizenship before declaring voting. Eligibility. The output of example 4, nested if statement is as follows. Eligible to vote. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Write a Python program to check whether a number is positive, negative, or 0. Use if, elif, and else statements to test each condition. Exercise 2. Check if a person is eligible to vote based on their age. Use if condition to check if age is greater than or equal to 18. Exercise 3. Take a user's marks and print their grade using if, elif, and else statements. Use score ranges to print grades A, B, or C. Exercise 4. Check whether a number is even or odd using an if-else statement. Use the modulus operator to test divisibility by 2. Exercise 5. Write a nested if program to check if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Use inner if statements to test multiple conditions. Thank you for watching episode 4. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.